So, what are verbs? Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something does. For example, I run, you eat, she reads, they play. In every sentence, the verb shows the action. So, here are some examples. You are watching. They are going to school. We are playing. And he is eating KFC. Okay guys, so I want you guys to try this out. See which words are verbs and which ones aren't. So run is a verb. Cooking is a verb. They is not a verb. You is not a verb. Pig is not a verb. Right is a verb. Pink is not a verb. Yellow is a verb.